Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day. I'm going to show you guys my DIY on the alcohol inks. Now, there is in the market alcohol ink nail polish stuff. I just decided to do the DIY just because it's something I'm new to and I didn't want to spend so much money in. And also because I've seen so many DIYs done and I thought I'd give it a try. These right here are alcohol inks that I purchased at Michael's, and I also purchased the alcohol blending solution at Michael's. And again, these ideas weren't mine. I've seen them with other YouTubers who do a lot of DIY nail art stuff. So that's where I got the inspiration to do mine. I bought these empty nail polish bottles at Amazon. And there's 6 of the inks and 6 of these nail polish bottles. So I was going to purchase more of the nail polish bottles, but it would become a little bit pricier than what I want to spend into the alcohol inks. I don't really want to spend that much. Again, like I said, I'm new to this. So I've done a lot of research, a lot of thought process and what I should or should not get. And also that wouldn't hurt my budget. So I went to Michael's and I was there for quite a bit. And I was looking for containers that were glass and had screw on caps because I figured the alcohol wouldn't evaporate as fast. But the ones that I found were either too big or the cap wasn't the right one that I was looking for, or if I did find something, it was just too expensive to get enough. So my other solution are these guys. These I got at the art supplies section, and I was a little bit I was a little bit, I don't know. I was not sure if this would work. So I gave it a try. I had a 40% coupon. So it came out very, very cheap. So it came with this one and this one. Now I've put solution in them already. I did my own custom green color with what I had. And I put a few drops of the purple, a few drops of the let's see here. It was yellow and blue, and I made it slightly darker than this one here. And this right here is the blue. Now, the downside is that you have to be really careful when you open them. Because if you're not, as you can see, this created a mess. But as long as you get used to opening them, you'll be okay. So, the way I open it is just I grab the bottom and I lift. And then when I'm done, I just close it up. Now, if you want to, you can cut them. I decided not to do that because then I would have to place them somewhere where they're not moving and or falling or anything like that. So I figured I'd just lay it down and there it is. Now on this side, so I'm not struggling or pouring some in my little containers, the little glass containers. Every time I pour some in there, it evaporates. So I figured I'd give it a try. Like I said, I poured some a few days ago and it's still growing strong. You can also add some alcohol blending solution in there and it'll come back to life. So that's awesome. Right here, I have some so I can clean the brushes or dilute some of the product. So it's working out very well. I am actually surprised that it hasn't dried out completely. It has been a few days. So this is the best solution that I have found that works for me. If you guys have any other ideas that would work a lot better, please leave them in the comments below. And also, I like this method because I have a fake nail already ready. It's been painted white. And I like to do is I'll open this up. I'll dip the toothpick in, like calligraphy. And then I will just write almost like pen-like. So you really have control, well, somewhat control of it. Isn't that neat? So just a toothpick and or, you know, your little brush method. I'm sure you guys have seen that. And of course, I forgot my cotton. I'll just clean it right there. And then just close that up so it doesn't dry out, and then just absorb some of the liquid. So yeah, you can have fun. Again, if you're trying to get some of the alcohol, just put your fingers down here, lift up, dip, and see it work. There you go. Of course, don't learn from me. I'm not that great at this, but practice makes perfect. So I'm sure there's other people who do much, much magnificent jobs than I do. But this is just an idea that may or may not work for you. If it does, fantastic. If it doesn't and you have a better idea, like I said, leave it in the comments down below. And I will see your ideas, what will work better, because I'm always looking for improvement or what I can do to make it easier on myself or learn faster or make everything easier for me. So I just wanted to show you guys this pretty neat idea. And of course, like I said, it's not only mine, but I've seen many do this with the nail polish. But I thought I'd show you guys this cool idea. Again, like I said, you can mix more custom colors and it's held on really good in the little container. And it's easier to store and to keep. So then you, in the background, you have more colors that you can customize and mix. And then your standard, if you're trying to use like brush on, especially if you're trying to do like reverse stamping or just, I don't know, paint the whole nail. You can do that. So, like I said, endless possibilities, endless ideas. Just have fun and see what you come up with. Well, hope you guys have a lovely and wonderful rest of your day. God bless you guys. Goodbye.